So, in relation to the smart grid technologies, we are going to see the topic of a smart role of ICT in smart grid. So, what is the meaning of ICT? Information and communication technologies. How we are conveying the information from the end user to the higher level. So, what are the different type of communication networks we are using? What are the different topologies we are using? The communication infrastructure is the one of the key component of smart grid. So we are placing the sensor and all those things are available. How we are going to transport those data from one place to another place? So we need a communication infrastructure to interconnecting all the components in the smart grid. So here we need to know that how we can able to effectively and intelligently operating the entire grid. So that communication plays a major role. And also the in the infrastructure of smart grid communication system, we must have to capability to support the expected smart grid functionalities and meet its performance requirement also. So how we can able to connect all the system interconnected together with the help of those communication. The communication means it is the information we are gathering in all the places has to be accumulated in the single place. So we need a information and communication technology is the major key role in the smart grid. Next one, here you can see the generation station is there, transmission station is there, distribution is there. This is a, so if you see this is a flow, power generation, transmission and distribution, and again we have a, the distribution end. So after the substation we have a end users. So these are the end users. So here the residential building is there, commercial building is there, industrial customer is there. So we don't know information what is the they have consuming or not. And next one, distributed energy generation sources also there. While talking about wind energy system, solar, and as well as hydraulic hydro power stations, and all those renewable energy sources are there. So here we don't know how much energy is generated and how we can able to predict the energy for the next day, and all those things has to be computed together. So how we are interconnected with the help of those sensors and all those things with the help of network operation center. We are getting all the data from the industry, commercial and residential home, and accordingly everything has been communicated to the neighbor area network, and it is again it is communicated to the data centers. Here we are using a WAN also. WAN means we can able to interconnect all the information through the entire state and as well as across the state also. So the overall India and the state-wise information can be stored in the data centers. So how much energy has been now all the informations are available related to the generation is available. How much energy we are generating and how much we are consuming. All the informations are available, but you can see those information can be done at the end of the month, or it takes a 2 to 3 months to feed all those things into the system, and they have to do all the analysis, and again they are going to display in the public website. If where the smart grid is involved, so the day to day or time to time we can able to know what is the demand as well as the supply which is going to happen in the grid. Grid is nothing but we are integrating all the generating sources into the single point. So those information we can able to analysis with the help of these smart grids. Here the fundamental function of the smart grid communication is, first one is a sensing, second one is a two-way data transmission, third one is a control. So what is the function of sensing? So the sensing means we are placing the smart meters in all the places and the sensors to detect the status of the grid at various location in the real time manner. We can able to sense all the data in the real time location as well as it is going to happen with the all the places. And next, whatever the information we are receiving through the sensors, it has to be sent to the control centers and data centers for the prediction. So that is the function of two-way data transmission. And as well as control instruction also possible. So if I say there is any fault is going to be happen in the system, in the single in a control from the control center, we can directly control all the equipments which is connected with in different places. So for example, I am sitting in Ahmednagar, I can able to control the equipment which is available in the Copracom. So through those information and those communication technologies and those sensors which is laid out in the all the places, the control center can directly send a SMS to activate or deactivate the system automatically. So that is a function of control. Here, the typical communication architecture for the smart metering is given below. So there is a three different layer we are using. One is a wide area network, next one is a neighborhood area network, and home area networks. Here, whatever the three different area networks, if you see, we are going to see in the dividing part. You can see these are the higher level networks. So these are the end users. So in the middle is the transport layer which gather the information from the users to the higher level. So now we can going to discuss all the what is a home area network and what is a neighborhood area network and how the wide area network is placed in the role. Now you can see the home area network means it is going to be using inside the home. For example, in my home, what are the electrical appliances are available? So that has to be converted into smart appliances. And if I have a renewable energy source, for example, I am mounted the solar panel in my roof. So those information and whatever the energy consumption, that display will be there. So all the things of information has been interconnected in the particular home area network. If in my plug point is there, port is there, if I'm connecting any charger over the port, how much energy is consuming in the particular port, I can able to easily see through my mobile application itself. As well as I can able to do the energy management function also. Energy management function means I can sit in my place, I can able to turn on AC or turn off AC or turn on fan and turn off the fan. A turn on and turn off function can be done easily if you're not available in the home or if you're not available in the home. You can able to do everything in the remote based applications. So that is why the surface of the home area network which is going to be given inside the homes. So after that, so home, all the appliances connected to the home area network. Again, it is connected to the smart meters. So now you can talk about the smart meters. So all the each home has a one smart meter. For example, the home 1 has a smart meter, home 2 has the smart meter, up to home 100 has the smart meters. So all the smart meters in all the homes has been interconnected with the help of neighborhood area network. It is used to transfer the consumption readings from the smart meters. So each home, how much energy it is consuming, all the information has to transport from home to the hierarchy. So it can able to facilitate the diagnostic messages from upgrade and real-time data has been sent to the hierarchy level. So home, here you have to understand, home area network means we are interconnecting all the appliances together with the help of those connections. That is called as a home area network. The home area network is connected to the smart meters. The function of smart meter is to record all the consumption data over here. And again, these smart meter data has been sent to the higher level database. So here we are using a NAN. NAN means neighborhood area network. These network used to connect all the smart meters in the particular area. So here the Kopraka Taluka is there. So in the Kopraka, what is the consumption? In all the smart meters are connected to the NAN. And again, here we are using a wide area network. So the Kopraka Taluka is connected to the Ahmednagar district using a wide area network. So here we can say the meter can be act as an interface. So the meter can be act as an interface means the meter will be working as the interface between the neighborhood area network and HAN, home area network. It means that it gets the data and send the data to the neighborhood area network. So what are the appliances we are using in the home? All the consumption data has been sent to the smart, recorded with the smart meter. Those data has been sent to the NAN. So it means that the meter is going to be acting as an interface. Just the function is to get the data and transmit the data. Get the data, transmit the data. So the repeated function will take place. That's why we can say the first function will be the meter can be acting as an interface. The second function, the controller acting as an interface. Controller means here the another option will be there. The smart meter also going to be record all the data, as well as here we are introducing one controller directly to the HAN. So you can see the controller is connected to the NAN and the controller is connected to the HAN. It means that any people from the substation, they can directly take an access of your home. They can stop the appliances through the automatically. So the controller means they can able to control your homes also. So that is a possible things which is going to happen in the smart grid. Instead of a load shedding option, they can directly shut down only the powers of the 5 to 10 homes, and again they can make it as another 5 to 10 homes. Likewise, they can able to take a control, and they can able to use your electrical appliances. Here, the next function is the data connector. So, the first part we are talking about HAN. The next part we are talking about the neighborhood area network. The third point is the data concentrators. The data concentrators means it is connected between the wide area network and NAN. Here, smart meter means we can say the Copraca. The Copraca data of all the information is connected to the neighborhood area network. So the neighborhood area network is, we have to transmit the data to WAN through the data concentrator. It is going to be act as a relay between the smart meters and gateway. So that is a bidirectional delivery of data, and monitor will be takes place with the help of data concentrators. So all the information of the Copraca has been connected to the NAN network. Again, the NAN data has been sent to the WAN. It means that Ahmednagar district, all the information will be sent to the Ahmednagar district substation with the help of wide area network. Again, Ahmed area network also connected with all the districts are connected with NAN. Again, it has to be communicated to the head office of the Maharashtra. So likewise, here whatever the data is available that can be sent to the database management system. That is simply called meter data management. So how much reading we have been utilized consumption. For example, 100 units I am using, each home using 100 units. All the information has been sent to the meter data management system. Here, these are the energy suppliers. Either it may be private or either it may be a government. Next, network operators. So they can able to easily predict all the information. Other actors means we can say that is a renewable energy source. The distributed energy generation. So all the renewable energy sources also going to be integrated in the gateway. They can directly send the supply to our home directly also. The function of the meter data management system, we can say it is a core database. All the data acquisition, validation, adjustment, storage, calculation can be done in the particular place. And also it is going to be act as a remote meter connection and disconnection, power status verification, supply restoration verification, on demand reading. Everything can be available in the meter data management systems. So this was the ICT. There is a coming to the conclusion. So we have exploring the different ICT in the smart meters or smart grid. The role of ICT in a smart grid. Here we have seen the three different communication technologies. One is the HAN, another one is the NAN, and the third one is the WAN. Again, through the WAN, all the data is sent to the meter data management system. So here, apart from this, in the NAN, we can say on the smart meter not only transmit the data, it can able to act as a controller also. So there is a two function. The smart meter can be act as an interface, as well as the second function is it is going to be act as a controller to control the appliances in our home by utilizing the HAN networks. So this is the topic conclusion which we have seen in the previous slides. Thank you.